Hello everyone, today we are talking about Altspace VR. Hello everyone, Keith Lavan here, the founder of Startl Mixed Reality Technologies, and today we are going to talk about Altspace VR. Now, Altspace VR is one of the few virtual reality, in fact, it is the first virtual reality social media platform. This platform was actually developed way back in 2013 and it was acquired by Microsoft in 2017. So, I work a lot with Microsoft also as a Microsoft educator myself. So being acquired by Microsoft was, something that I enjoyed. And I hope that you enjoy Altspace also. It's one of the few places you could actually have a real life interaction in virtual reality, and especially these days with the pandemic and so forth, the virtual interaction is something that we would like to encourage rather than physical interaction. So today I'm going to show you how easily it is to create an account on Altspace, how to download the Altspace program, and how to join an event. So I have an event lined up also, which I will be showing you how easy it is to join the event. So I'll be sharing my screen now. So first of all, let's take a look at the Altspace platform. So you can get it at altvr.com. So the current URL they are using is altvr.com, altvr.com. So if you go to altvr.com, and even though you don't sign in, it's very easy for you to see an event, and you're seeing a lot of devices here that they actually support. It supports the HTC Vive, the Oculus Quest, Windows Mixed Reality, normal Windows computers, and that's where you could get the 2D mode. Okay, so you don't even have to have a virtual reality headset in order to enjoy Altspace. So if you click on events, you would see all the events that they have lined up, and every day there are a lot of events being carried out by different individuals, different organizations, and you can join the event, but you need to create an account first. So I'm going to show you first of all how to create the account. And now account creation was a very, very simple process, but now you actually have to download the Altspace app also in case you want to make an account that is not associated with Microsoft. So if I click on sign in on top here, you could click on sign in with Microsoft, and then you will be led into actually putting in your Microsoft credentials. Okay, and I don't want to sign in at this point with those credentials, so I'll come out right here and I'll do it in an incognito window. All right, so let me show you in an incognito window so I could log on with a new account. All right, so if you go on Google and you type AltspaceVR, you would get the AltVR URL. You click on it, and let's click on sign up. If you click on sign up, they will tell you that you need to download the AltspaceVR application first. Now, by the way, AltspaceVR, although the applications it is accessible and the events are accessible online, you need to still download the Windows application before you could actually join any of the events. All right, or you need to have a VR headset and you could have the apps on the VR headset, but I'm showing you really how the easiest way, which you could just use your normal Windows computer. So if you just decided to go on sign in instead of click on sign in, you click on log in, they will ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. Okay, so if you have a Microsoft account, what is a Microsoft account? Microsoft account is a Hotmail account, an Outlook account, uh, any type of Office 365 account, a live account. So if you have any of those accounts, you could sign in right here. So I'm going to sign in with my Hotmail account. All right, so I signed in with my Hotmail account. So here I have the link for an event that actually I wanted to join. So if you have an event link, like someone shared an event with you and you got the event link, all you have to do is sign in with your Microsoft account, and that's the easiest way for you to be able to see the particular event. All right, so that's the easiest way to see the particular event. So normally you would get this link. They would probably send this link to you on your email or something like that. And let me just sign back out to show you. And if you were to paste that link in your browser, it would say that the event is not found. All right, it's not that there's an error or anything like that. It's because you need to sign in first before you get to see the event. So the link that you get provided in your email, or if someone sends you the link to an event, normally if you try to paste it in your browser and try to get in that way, if you don't sign in on Altspace, you will not see it. So you could click on sign in with Microsoft, and then the account will come up, and you should go ahead and RSVP it. And why do you RSVP it? So that when you see you go to events that you are interested in on your account, you will see the event. And when it's time for the event to take place, you would just click on it and you would get to enter the event at the appropriate time. Okay, so that's that way. Now let me show you how easy it is to, if you don't have a Microsoft account, what you need to do. Okay, so first of all, if you don't have a Microsoft account, you could also sign in with normal Gmail. You could go ahead and create an account on Altspace itself. But firstly, you would need to download the Altspace app. So you go to the Windows Store on your computer. All right, so you go to the Windows or the Microsoft Store as they call it. You go on, you search. Just type Altspace and you will see Altspace coming up. You just click on it. So I already have Altspace installed, so I will see launch. But if you don't have my Altspace installed, you will see install right here. So you would just click on install and you would see it's telling you a little bit about it. It has mixed reality capabilities and so forth. So just go ahead and install the Altspace from the Microsoft Store, which you would get by clicking on the Microsoft Store icon on your Windows computer, or you could just type Microsoft Store in your browser and you could get the link to the Microsoft Store. You could install the Altspace. All right, so after you install your Altspace, okay, so let me just close Store off. I'm going to launch my Altspace. Remember, I'm showing you how to join the event if you do not have a Microsoft account. You would need to create the account in the Altspace app itself. So launch your Altspace app. Okay, so you would see it's telling you a little bit about it. It would ask you if you want to create a tutorial, you would like to view the tutorial. I will always advise you to do a tutorial, but you could do the tutorial after you create your account. So click on sign in, and again they are asking you if you want to sign in with your Microsoft account. So if I were you, you could easily create a Microsoft account by going on outlook.com, going on live.com, create a Microsoft account, you know, because that will be used for a lot of different applications online, and you will also get some free storage on a OneDrive online and all that. So there are many advantages to having a Microsoft account, so you should probably consider it. But if you don't want to create a Microsoft account, you just want to go ahead and use your Gmail or something like that. By the way, you see my avatar right here. This avatar is something you'll be customizing to suit yourself. If you want it to look like you, or you want it to look differently in virtual reality, you could go ahead and customize your avatar, but don't customize it as yet until you create your account. Otherwise, everything you do will be lost. So I'm not going to sign in Microsoft this time because I want to show you how to create the account without it. So you could just click on create account right here. It will ask you again a whole bunch of accounts it's detecting on the computer if you want to sign in with that. All right, so whatever might come up with you, if you know the password for it, you could go ahead and feel free. Or if in case you wanted to go ahead and do it from scratch, you could click on this one here, use a different account right here, click on continue. Right, and now you could actually go and type your email address or anything like that. So I'm just making up something. All right, just click on next. It says Microsoft account doesn't exist. So right here it's searching to see in case you have the account, but you notice that there's a little button just below that that says create one. Just click on that. All right, and now they're looking to create an account with your Gmail account that you just put in there. So if you don't have a Microsoft account, you can feel free to go with a Gmail, go with any other email address that you have, and it will create the account for you. So I am just gonna sign in also with my previous account that I hadn't had before. So I'm gonna close this off. I'm gonna click on sign in. I'm gonna sign in with a Microsoft account, just to give you an idea of how you could go ahead and customize your avatar and all that. You need to click yes on some of these things. All right, I don't know why something went wrong. It's probably detecting that I have several accounts, different accounts signed in right now. Right, so it's just signed me in. All right, notice I had I have my avatar here. I could click on customize avatar. All right, and right here you could customize the avatar however you want it. So you could customize the body of the avatar, the skin tone, the body shape, anything that you want. All right, you could go ahead and customize it right there on the avatar. You could customize the head, you could customize the hair. You know, you want a hairstyle like that, a female, all right, and all of that kind of stuff. Okay, so you could customize it to, I've seen avatars looking a lot like the person themselves, all right. So feel free to just customize your avatar. Now notice after you customize your avatar, in case you want to change your display name, first of all, the display name, you won't get to change the display name until you go back on the online program. Then you could change your display name. Okay, so you need to leave the display name as it is so far, but you could customize the avatar right here in the Altspace. And one thing that you need to turn on, especially it's very important, you go to the settings, you go under input, and you turn on the classic PC controls. If it's not turned on, make sure and turn on the classic PC controls. It's very, very important. That's the way you could get to turn on and turn off your mic and to communicate while you are in the event. Okay, so you could communicate with others. By the way, I'm showing you how to use it on a normal Windows PC. So let me just show you how you could go ahead and change your display information. Alright, so I am here, I'm signed in with the same Hotmail account on my online. So I'm coming here, I'm going to profile, right, under more I'm going to profile, and if I click on edit, right, see, I could change my display name. If I don't want my entire name to show, I could change my display name, I could change my password and that kind of stuff. I could change my region, I could add my date of birth and that kind of stuff. So see how easy it was? And now when you do it that way now remember, the whole objective is you wanted to make sure and join an event. Alright, so normally you would see the events under interested, and see the event just popped up here, right? Why did it pop up? Because when you see I went online, I selected that I was interested in the event on the event link. Okay, I chose that I was interested in the event. That's how the event came up in my Altspace. So let me just refresh you guys. I just wanna let me summarize on how to join an event on Altspace. So first of all, you would get an event. If you wanted to join an event that you did not get a link for, you just simply go to altvr.com. All right, you put it up here. You go on altvr.com. You go ahead and you log in. You log in with your Microsoft account, or if you want to log in with an account that you don't have from Microsoft, you need to download the Altspace app first on your computer, and then you could create an account through the Altspace app and then go back online. Okay, so let's assume you logged on with your Microsoft account. Once you click on events, you will get to see all the different events that are happening. If in case you want to join someone else's event, they would probably give you a link. So you just, after you log on, just simply come in the URL box of the browser, paste the link to the event, press enter, and it will hyperlink you to the event, where they will ask you if in case you want to RSVP. Once you click on you are interested, it will show up under interested in your account. So when it's time for the event, you just click on this and it will launch the Altspace. Now notice on the Altspace app, under interested, right, in the main menu under interested, I'm also seeing it because I clicked on I was interested in it. So let me quit the Altspace app just to show you something. Now once you are interested in it, even when you go on the online link, alright, so I'm going back to the online link that was provided to me for the event. I have the event right here, and this will only allow me to go into the event when the time reaches. So this event is carded for Saturday, so I will not be able to enter it as yet. Otherwise, I would see something here saying enter, and I would be able to enter the event. Okay, now when you enter the event, they will ask you if you want to open it up with Altspace. So let me just show you how that happens. I'm going to look for another event that's actually happening. Alright, this event is happening here. Alright, just clicking visit now and see what comes up here. Open in AltspaceVR, just click it, and what will happen is it will pull up the Altspace from on your computer. Once you are logged into the Altspace, it's a good idea to keep it logged in all the time, and keep it logged in on your browser all the time. So any event you see, just click it and then select Open in Altspace, and now you'll be able to attend the event. So that same event link that I showed you a while ago, that event here is not accessible as yet, but when the time reaches, you would see a button that says enter. When you click on enter, you would see that same box that popped up a while ago saying open in Altspace, and you would open it in Altspace, and everything will already been organized already, because you would have already gone to Altspace and created your avatar and everything like that, and you can have fun in joining the event. So I hope you guys out there enjoyed this video. Now at Startl, we specialize in augmented virtual reality, commonly known as mixed reality. And in fact, we developed the very first augmented reality platform in the Caribbean region. So in these times of the pandemic, we are striving to help businesses, help students, help parents, help anyone out there in using cutting edge technologies in order to help out to get by in the pandemic and even to progress yourself in the pandemic. So in future videos, we'll be posting future videos on how to use augmented reality during this time, how to do virtual tours, and those different areas are very important in this time where we can't really, or we shouldn't really be in physical contact. But these technologies will definitely be able to assist businesses and individuals in their jobs and in their careers, and also in their schools. Okay guys, so take care, be safe, and I'll see you all in the next video.